Hello everyone, welcome to another cooking tutorial from Cupid's Cooking. Since it's almost New Year, today I'm gonna share with you how to make your own holiday or festive ham. This is something you shouldn't miss, so keep on watching. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button so you can get the latest update on our exciting videos. Now it's time to put our chef's hats on. First, we need to make our spice sachet by combining 4-star anise, 6 cloves, 1 tablespoon of peppercorn in cheesecloth. Tie the end with a cooking twine to secure it. For this recipe, I'll be using the unsmoked cured gammon. So let's start cooking. In a pot, pour 1 liter of chicken stock, or you may dissolve 3 chicken cubes into 1 liter of hot water. Pour another 2 liters of water. Add the soy sauce, dark brown sugar, zest of 1 orange, 2 pears cut into quarter, remove and discard the core, rice vinegar, season with salt, and stir well to combine. Add the gammon in a pot, 3 spring onions, 3 cinnamon sticks, and the spice sachet. Right before it simmers, scrape or skim off any brown foam on the sides and discard it. Cover the pot and simmer. For every 450 grams, you should simmer for 20 minutes. And I simmer this gammon for 1 hour and 25 minutes. Remove from the pot and let it cool for 20 minutes. Keep the stock for later use. Meanwhile, preheat your oven to 190 degrees Celsius. And to make the glaze, pour the stock in a pot, add the pineapple juice, dark brown sugar, and honey. Simmer until sauce thickens. Once the ham cools down, carefully remove the skin and leave the fat layer. Make a crisscross pattern scoring, transfer it to a roasting pan, and start our cloves. Brush the ham with the glaze and roast it in the oven for 15 minutes. Remove from the oven and brush it again with the glaze and roast it for another 20 minutes. Turn your heat to 220 degrees Celsius and remove the ham for final glazing. Roast it for another 10 minutes. Once the ham turns golden, remove from the oven and leave to cool down for 30 minutes before carving. And for the sauce, I used the same recipe as the glaze, except I added half teaspoon of Dijon mustard. And there you have it, our festive ham is ready. Enjoy and thank you for watching. Bye bye!